In this video I will teach you why you shouldn't read books the normal way and how you should use them to get the most out of them. So if you want to know how, keep watching. Hi, I'm Gabriel. On this channel I will talk with you about what I learned in marketing, branding and how to get the proper mindset to succeed in whatever you want in life, but especially to build your personal brand. If you are interested to follow me on my journey, I really advise you to subscribe to this channel and to check the bell icon if you do not want to miss any of my news and new videos. So without waiting anymore, let's jump into the video. First, let's talk about why you should have books in your home. First of all, I think books are one of the most valuable assets you can have, because you can literally have decades of information from people who have or had a lot to teach. I really want you to fill all your room with those. And in general, they are pretty cheap compared to the value they give. But according to me, I think that any kind of books is fine. But let me warn you there. I do not mean that you will learn entrepreneurship or something like that in a comics. But of course, if someone wants to learn how to write comics, he will better read those kind of books. So in my opinion, everyone has to take out something from books. Yet in this video I don't want you to learn how to write novels or comics. I want you to learn entrepreneurship or marketing with me. Anyway, let me show you how you can maximize the information that you get out from the book in the less time possible, because that's what we want here. Take the most important information out from the book while minimizing the time of reading. This technique, as you guessed, is adapted for non-fiction. So kind of books that you can take out things of or way of thinking to implement them into reality. So let's dive into it. Usually when people read books, they read it page per page, right? They start page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've understood, right? Now, why reading a book from cover to cover is a big waste of time? Because in fact, by downloading so much information, our brain, which is trying to get all of it, can't handle that. So what it do is put out a part of the information to at least try to remember the most it can. In fact, studies have shown that you forgot 80% of what you've read from the book just after you read it. So, and it goes even worse with the time. A few days later, chances are you will not remember anything from it. And I know a lot of people have already lived this kind of situation. If you know what it feels, tell me in the comments. Here is the technique I've learned from millionaires to read books faster while taking the most out from them. What you are going to do is to take the book you want to read. Go in the summary and search a part that interests you. What we do here is to select the info that we want to take, okay? Then start to read and take a maximum of 3 key points, ideas or things you want to implement. You can note them in your own words, but personally I don't, because here is the most important part of this strategy. The 3 points you've just took. You need to apply them directly. That's right, apply them directly. I mean, the other day I was listening to a conference from Gabriel, and that was really not really a book, but what I want you to take out from this video is the process of directly implementing the things that you have learned. He told that Facebook advertising was one of the cheapest way to get in front of people's face. Yet the occasion will not be always here, because the price is rising up and more people will use it in the next few years. So to seize the occasion, what I've done is actually to launch my first ad on a post, to promote a post on Instagram. And I can tell you that there is a big difference between the theoretical and the practical aspect. It creates a momentum. And now when I see something that can be great to implement, I directly do it. And it's actually changing my life. And it can change yours too. So let's make a recap. Number 1, you take a book, you watch through the summary and you choose the parts you want to study. Number 2, you take 1 to 3 things, principle or things you can do or start doing right now. And step number 3, the most important one, you start implementing them right now. And you keep repeating the process. So that's it for today. I really want you to implement the tips I just gave you in this video, and really to stop being too theoretical. Actually do things, learn by doing. You will only get experience by doing things, and it will make you closer from your dream or your goal. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video with others. In fact, maybe someone will find in it the missing piece of the puzzle they need to finally reach that goal. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.
Give it one more chance.